Still setting up some Pinball Y things. This is Kodi, which is a media player that I'd like to launch. That I'd like to clone the main screen onto the back box screens. I'd like to launch Kodi. I'd like to have it launch Pandora. I'd like it to choose a particular station, play that station, back out, take out the clone and extend back across, and get back into Pinball Y. That's the goal. I've made an auto hotkey, and I did this in Pinball X, that will launch a batch file that clones the screens through Display Changer 2, and then launches Kodi, and then basically steps through, theoretically in the background so you can't see it, to select Pandora, select a station, play the station, and then show the visualizations. This is what I've got so far. So we'll start up Kodi. As you can see, I've got it set for minimize, but it doesn't minimize, it shows it in the background. And then the auto hotkey, as you can see, will walk its way through, select Pandora, and then it'll go down through the stations, choose a station, and then it will start playing that station, and then turn on the visualizations. And the visualizations are cloned on all the screens, and then the data will hide in just a moment or two, and basically you've got party going on. You can just have this sitting in the background playing away and showing visualizations. I'd like to do is hit the 2 key and back out of this, but it doesn't. It just goes back into this, and I will open up Task Manager next. So in Task Manager, we've got Kodi running, we've got Pinball Y running, we've got Pinball running. If I kill the Kodi process or end the task, I get black screens. And but you'll notice that Kodi is still running here, even though I've ended the task, which is kind of strange. So if I end Kodi again, it's now finally gone, and Pinball Y should have the focus, and it does. It's taken the back glass and put it onto the main play field. If I scroll off of the play field, I can scroll onto the back glass. So I've gone back to being extended again, but things are mucked up. So I'm just going to pause again. So now I've gone to Task Manager and ended Pinball Y, which also ended Pinball because it's got a file that's set up to do that. If I start Pinball Y again, Pinball Y comes back just fine, but the DMD gets moved onto the main play field. Which I can move back to where it needs to be. So, wondering what the best way is to try to implement something like this. If you've got any great ideas, I'd love to hear them. Thanks.